大家好，欢迎你们到 Learn Chinese Niger. Okay, today we are continuing our 900 Chinese sentence sharing. I already done 1 to 45. Today we are continuing on 46 sentence. Okay, so the 46 sentence says, 你太好了,你太好了,你太好了, which means what? Is a very kind of you. You too good. That is, if you translate word on word, word on word. You too good. That is very kind of you. Then 45 is what? Gambe. Gambe is like when go out with friends to drink. Chinese people like to do gambe. Say jinjiu. Also mean jinjiu. Gambe, which means cheers. Then 48 is what? 你的生日几月几号? 你的生日几月几号? Your birthday is how many months and how many dates? Like if you translate it one on one, your birthday is what month and what date, which is when is your birthday, or what month or birthday is your birthday, what month and date is your birthday. Okay, so 45, 49. 你是哪国人? 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 Which means if you go word by word, you are which country person, like which country are you from? 49. 你是什么地方的人? 你是什么地方的人? Which also means where are you from? Still mean which country are you from? Where are you from? You are what place person? Like if you go word by word, you are what place? Like Tifa is a place, like Place, place person. Then 50 is 你们家有几口人? 你们家有几口人? Which means your home have how many family members? That is how many people are there in your family. Okay, so that's all for today. That is 46 to 50. Okay, see you next time. 再见.